off to the store now. Make sure the garden gets lots of water.
Don't worry, Mom. I'll take good care of it.
Thank you. And don't forget to keep an eye on Percy.
Percy? Percy? You let him go! Unless you want a shower, I suggest you spit him out now.
Atomic Betty, this is your commander speaking.
Atomic Betty reporting for duty, sir.
I have a mission of the utmost importance. Our sources indicate... Why are you covered in mud?
I'm brushing up on my foraging skills, sir.
Very good. You never know when you might find yourself marooned on some desolate planet with no potable water or cheese snacks about. Anyway, about the mission. Our sources indicate that the Supreme Overlord, Maximus IQ, has a secret lab on the planet of Narimba 6 and is creating a horrible bioweapon. Destroy the lab before Maximus can put this weapon to use.
I'll take care of it right now. Over and out. Yikes! I've got to save the galaxy and clean up the garden before Mom gets back. Beam me up! Sparky, get us to Narumba 6 as fast as you can.
Okay. Hold tight! Ta-da! We're here.
Yes, but is Maximus here? Aha! This looks like a secret headquarters to me.
But where are the guards?
Good question. And how many guards are there?
It should be simple to ascertain precise numbers. Might I suggest... Utilizing this topographical printout, we position here, 5 degrees northeast off of the tangent of the X and Y coordinate.
That will take too long. Sparky and I will find out using a combination of stealth and subterfuge. Get off of me!
Oh.
Target's in sight.
Let's go blast them!
X5?
What?
Greetings.
What do you want?
Allow me to make this special one-of-a-kind introductory offer to Guardians Quarterly, the magazine that caters to distinguished sentries, defenders, and gatekeepers such as yourself. Complimentary issues for anyone who's interested.
Oh, check out this uniform. Oh, shiny one.
Nice.
Oh, it's very pretty, super.
Very
Look at all those shiny things. Stats. Stats. That's Stats.
one.
Excellent use of stealth and subterfuge, X5. Now let's find the lab.
It could be anywhere.
Aha! And what have we got got here?
It's a small cylindrical glass vessel containing an unknown liquid held in place by a piece of unidentified metal which appears to be conducting current carrying properties.
Huh?
A vial being held in place by a magnet.
A very powerful magnet.
So, what's in the vial, Smarty Pants?
I think we can safely assume that it is some sort of evil, dastardly potion.
It's been 2 hours, 12 minutes, and 43 seconds. The cooling process should be complete by now.
Maximus!
Yes, yes, yes! My bioweapon is finally finished.
Well, it's about time. It's about time someone came up with such a great idea. Oh, splendid work, Master.
Come, Minimus. I'm sure you're eager to see how it works.
How thoughtful of Maximus to provide a demonstration.
Hey, how'd he do that?
By extracting the chlorophyll from plants and enhancing them with a molecular growth agent, I have concocted a biochemical compound that can choke entire worlds with vegetation.
Evil simulation complete. Replay. Oh, we want to watch it again.
Well, we don't.
Well, if it isn't our interfering galaxy guardian, Atomic Betty. And I see you brought your 2 little friends. How quaint.
Maximus, hand over the vial, you cunning criminal.
Oh, this? I'm afraid I can't do that. I have other uses planned for it.
Oh, boy!
Seize them!
It's a trap! I'll take on the lot of you!
Not so fast, Minimus. Hand it over or else.
Or else what?
Oh, no! Whoa!
I think that belongs to me. It's been a pleasure, Atomic Betty, but I really must be going. Toodaloo.
Somebody stop them!
Allow me.
Excellent work, X5. But how did you do that?
Simple. I merely activated the current carrying conductor to create an electromagnetic field to attract the iron properties in the liquid.
Huh?
I turned on the magnet.
Oh. Your evil plan's been foiled again, Maximus.
Curse you, Atomic Betty! You! Girl!
You'd better give me that vial before you drop it.
Oh.
At least I destroyed the lab, right?
Ah! Idiot! That was my tail!
Oh, Master. Should I let go?
Yes.
Oh, no! I'm just about out of time!
Oh, Burzy Wurzy. Mommy loves you so much, Snookums. What is it, Snookums?
Now.
Did you want to show me something? My garden! Why, it's
you could try this new fertilizer I came across.
Betty, you're a genius. All that work must have made you hungry. Why don't I fix us some nice peanut butter and ice cream sandwiches?
Peanut butter and ice cream? All right! Atomic Betty and the Fighting Girl. Atomic Betty gonna rock your world. Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty. Atomic Betty, your galactic girl. Atomic Betty gonna save the world. Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty. Atomic Betty reporting for duty. Yeah!